Hayes Inlet is of international significance as it supports migratory birds and local waders. It covers an area of approximately 2,400 hectares, which makes it one of the largest and most significant wetlands in South East Queensland. Apart from being a Ramsar site, an internationally recognised wader bird habitat, the inlet is also a fisheries nursery area and home to one of the densest populations of koalas in South East Queensland. Apart from the intertidal flats of Hayes Inlet, which are surrounded by mangrove forests, there are a number of linked habitat types that provide refuge for wildlife and create a productive nursery site which is important for the fisheries of Moreton Bay. The area surrounding the inlet is a myriad of saltmarsh, marine couch meadows, lagoons, along with stands of casuarina, paperbark and open eucalypt. In terms of fisheries, the mangrove, saltmarsh and waterways are a mecca for developing crustaceans and fish. Commercial species like the mud crabs and the banana prawn thrive in these areas. Juveniles of other species including mullet, bream, whiting and flathead all depend on the mangrove habitat for shelter and food. Almost 70% of Eastern Australia's commercial seafood catch is made up of mangrove-related species. Saltmarsh areas are also important for fish and crustaceans. When high tides flood the marsh areas, schools of fishes move in amongst the vegetation to take advantage of the food and shelter available. With all this food around, it's no wonder predators like the Brahminy kite choose Hayes Inlet for nesting and bringing up their young. Surrounding the intertidal areas and acting as buffers are significant stands of eucalypt, which are home to one of the densest populations of koalas in South East Queensland. Other mammals that utilise the inlet include flying foxes, kangaroos, swamp wallabies and sugar gliders. The Hayes Inlet catchment area is more than just an estuarine habitat.